Hi everybody, Steve Dlugosz here again with Harvestland Co-op. I want to talk to you a little bit about something that's important to most people, and that's weed control. Weed control can always be a challenge, especially with the emergence of resistance, the emergence of more aggressive species such as water hemp, and then the age-old battles with some of our enemies like mare's tail. And so you stand in a field like this, anybody would be pretty proud of these beans at this growth stage. Good pod fill, good height, really good potential yields, but then you have this mess here. And if you pan across this field, you can see he's got pretty good adequate control of most species except mare's tail. And one of the secrets to mare's tail control, you can put dandelion in that category as well, is most of the control occurs in the fall, the previous fall. And when I say most of the control happens then, is the secret to controlling this weed consistently is to take it out before the next crop even starts. And so fall application, and it's usually a combination of glyphosate and 2,4-D, or sometimes just straight 2,4-D and dicamba. But we can basically take the seedlings, which are very small in the fall, barely detectable in the crop, take them out such that they don't even have a chance to get going in the spring. And then we have season-long weed control where this doesn't even appear. If left to the springtime, we try to do our early season burn down. It's usually pretty cool. The control products, again, 2,4-D, are adequate except when it's cold, and we can't run the higher rates because of the plant back restrictions, and so this is a weed that we consistently miss. So this mess here is, believe it or not, preventable. And most people have started to figure out that this fall application is pretty much a no-brainer. The crop comes off. We used to really think it through. What other additives, what other products need to go in it, what about the timing, what about this and that. To be real honest with you, the crop comes off, you spray it. It's really that simple. And the nice thing about fall application is you can run large acreages very quickly. You load the machine up, you don't have to switch back and forth, and off you go and get a whole lot done in a big hurry. For those of you that spray your own, a lot of times you have really good intentions to get that sprayed. However, harvest continues to go on and on and on. Obviously that's your focus. And now it's time then, once harvest is complete, to turn our attention to the weed control, and we find ourselves in November where the window's rapidly closing. So I guess I would say to you that spray your own. As these crops come off, don't be afraid to talk to your local Harvestland representative. We can run a few fields for you. It's not too painful, it's not too costly, and get that weed control on a timely basis. Then if you're done with harvest and you've got some more acres to do, load up your own machine and take off and get with it. So again, mare's tail is the common enemy that we take out in the fall. Fall application of 2,4-D and or dicamba with glyphosate makes this a non-issue. So with that tip, we'll say goodbye till later. This is Steve Dlugosz, Harvestland Co-op.